How to fix Spotify something went wrong error. So if your Spotify has a something went wrong error, what you can do is you can head over and see if the problem is coming from your device or from the Spotify system itself. So first things first, let's try to close our Spotify app and then let's try to reopen it. Now, once you have reopened it, you can still see if the error still persists. If the error still persists, what you can do is you can head over here to your settings, head over to your apps, and then just locate Spotify onto this list. Now, click on this right here and just click onto the storage. Click on the clear cache and then just clear the data from it there. Alternatively, you can also head over to your Play Store and search in here for Spotify. So search for Spotify right here and then you can try to uninstall and reinstall it. So that's how you actually fix Spotify something went wrong error. Hope we helped.